Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by choosing the right hardware. A powered USB-C dock with display link or 2 docks will let you bypass the single native output. Connect one monitor to MacBook Air M3 native port if available, and prepare a display link USB-C adapter for the second. Once done, install the display link driver and update Mac OS. This ensures driver kernel compatibility. Make sure the dock has its own power. Powered hubs handle, too, displays reliably and reduce bandwidth strain on the Mac. Now connect both monitors. Plug the primary into the MacBook's native USB-C/HDMI output, then attach the display link dock or adapter for the second. Once connected, Mac OS may request accessibility and screen recording permissions for display link. Grant these in system settings and restart the display service if prompted. After that, open displays and arrange them to match physical layout, set resolutions and scaling for clarity, and adjust refresh rates. This ensures the cursor flows naturally. Finish by verifying power delivery and that both monitors display desktop. Make one the primary if you prefer the dock or menu bar there. If a screen stays blank, disconnect and reconnect the affected cable, reboot the Mac, and recheck display link permissions. Often a simple restart resolves kernel extension issues. If you see lag, lower resolution, or refresh rate, update the dock firmware and swap cables to a high-quality USB-C video cable. These steps fix most performance and stability problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.